Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm installing one of these reolink cameras up in my eaves. I pre-wired them for my house and I'll show you where I'm doing it here in a minute. But I just want to show you what I'm doing to this plate. I put a single gang plate in a bunch of different places, but what I've done is I've just drilled a mounting hole here. This is a 3/4 inch, and then I'll have to look at this one. But I just wanted to show you kind of what I'm doing. I'm pre-mounting this, and then I'm going to hook it up and screw it in place. So I just wanted to kind of show you this before I get to the next step. So I used a 5/32 bit for these holes, and then I'm using these number 6-32 by 3/4 inch to then basically put the screw in there and mount it. So I'll get that done and then we'll go get the rest figured out. So up in my eaves, I've got the 1 gang box. I did 2 wires just in case I ever wanted to run 2 cameras or if something was broken. And since it's covered up inside the roof, I'm not worried about waterproofing it. So I just put some keystone jacks on it, and then in this case I've got the camera hooked up right here, and I've got the plate all mounted, and then I will just screw it in. So we'll get to that part. I'll show you a picture of that, and then we'll set up the camera. So I went to set up this camera. Sorry I haven't shown it to you yet. I wanted to set it up so I could view it on the laptop while I adjust it. It's telling me to do it with the mobile app, but I don't want to yet. It doesn't give me the default IP address. So what I did was I logged in to my router, and you can see here that I've got, oh, that's a touchscreen, so don't touch it. It's got camera 1, which is the only camera I have installed, and it gave me the default IP address. So that's how I found it out. I don't know if that's the default IP address or if it's just the one that was assigned. So default username is just admin with a blank password. I do know that. Oh, flash player. Let's see if I can always allow. Reload. Let's see if it'll work. Boom! That's awesome. So that was really simple. Gotta go change the settings and whatnot, but now let's go show you the camera. So I'm really happy with how the camera turned out. I'll put some footage on here of day and night. I reviewed the reolink. I'm revisiting it based off of my last assessment. I'll leave links to that video in the card. I'm really happy. It looks kind of funny when it's mounted up there, but it gets really good coverage of both someone pushing the doorbell and most of the sidewalk coming up to the house. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.